How to fix invalid destination address in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting. Now in setting, click on network at internet. Now here you will see airplane mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messages app cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down, click on storage at cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages app will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and again click on reset setting. Mobile network setting reset will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix invalid destination address in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.